As the sun slowly rises over the Hermos plain, a stillness of thousands of years seems to rest upon the stones of Sardis. Today, through this video, we journey toward the heart of the ancient Lydian Kingdom, the capital of one of history's wealthiest civilizations. This is Sardis, or Sardis, the ancient city where the magnificent King Croesus lived, the very ruler who inspired the saying, "Rich as Croesus." Standing beside the gold-bearing Pactolus River, this city once lay at the center of trade, craftsmanship, and power. As you walk through its streets, you can feel that you are on the very land where goldworking was born. In the wide marble corridors of the gymnasium complex, the echoing footsteps carry the grandeur of the past to us. Massive columns bring the impressive architecture of Rome into the present day. Every stone, every trace, still holds the breath of the people who once lived here. And now, just outside Sardis, a colossal silhouette emerges from between the trees. The Temple of Artemis, one of the largest temples in Anatolia, a structure whose towering columns reach toward the sky, defying even the passage of time. When you stand before the temple, you sense a faint murmur carried by the wind. Perhaps these are the echoes of the people who brought their offerings here thousands of years ago. This sacred sanctuary dedicated to Artemis served as a place of peace, uniting the beliefs of both the Lydians and the Romans. Today, as we walk along the thin line between past and present, Sardis tells us something very clearly. Wealth is measured not only by gold, but by culture, faith, and human stories. Sardis and the Temple of Artemis, two extraordinary ancient sites that open the doors of history wide for anyone seeking a journey beyond time.